So in style.css, locate the body selector, add a font family property with a value of railway and fallback font of sans serif. If you would like to experiment with other fonts. So body selector, and the font of sans serif. So in style.css, locate the H1 selector and assign it a font size of 40 pixels. Next, to create the H2 selector, assign it a font size of 1.7 or EM. Okay, so number 4, next customize font colors using the CSS color property in style.css for H1 and H3 selectors. Add a color property and set it to the value of D6B470, H1 and H3. And then H3. H2 selector, add a color property, set it to the value of white. Number 5, the cafe has given you a list of photos they would like you to integrate as a background image. As background images for the home page in style.css, locate the .hero class selector and assign it the following background image. Yes. If you guys recall, whenever adding a background image, you need to set its URL. Locate dot upcoming class selector. So dot upcoming. Set the background image here. Unlocate dot roast. I just added events. Roast. Exactly the same. It's just what roast dot events and cafe. Okay, so let's run that. Okay, upcoming events. Today's roast. So roast is not showing. Or it's not displaying because of my typo over here. There you go. That looks pretty neat. Okay, so number 6 in index.html, locate the p element that displays the text contact us. So this text over here. Index here. I've got it here. Set the IG attribute to of this element to. Okay, in style.css, locate hashtag footer selector, assign hash footer a font size of 1.25 rem. Let's run that. There you go. It's a little bit bigger. I don't like the color. It's not contrasting enough for me. Alright, so let's move forward.